Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got the updates and recaps. Starting off with the updates. As you know, on May 27th, Yeezy had a big Yeezy day. Most of his pairs did sell out. However, there's still Yeezy sitting on the confirm app. It looks like they have the Yeezy bone pairs still there, the Yeezy carbons, and some Yeezy 500, Yeezy 700s, Yeezy 700 Desert Boots. So if you want these Yeezys, go on the confirm app, cop these remaining Yeezys that Adidas is trying to push. Maybe the last time we see these Yeezys. So if you still rock the Yeezys, you want them, go ahead and cop those. But as you know, the most of the slides did sell out, and as well as the foam runners did sell out as well. Some of the major colorways like the Yeezy Zebras did sell out. We had some of the all black Yeezys with the red stripe as well as the blue stripe, and those sold out as well. So moving on to the Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that came out from 19 May through 25th of May. Starting off, we did have a heavy hitter, the J Balvin Air Jordan 3 collaboration. Was at that hefty price point of $250. They did all sell out. They did all sell out. So let us know if you're able to cop these down in the comments, Sneakerhead. They did sell out. What we got next, my brother?
So on May 25th, we did have the Air Jordan 12 red taxi or taxi flip. Price point for those was $200. According to Nike.com, sizes 7, 8, and 10 are still available. But for the family sizes, hey, all sizes are available at Foot Locker. So, hey, drop us a comment down below if you were able to snatch them up.
Yes, sir. So moving on to the last shoe of the week, another heavy hitter. On May 25th, we did have the Canary Yellows Travis Scott Air Jordan Lows. This does come at a price point of $150. These were only for the women's. And of course, as all the Travis Scotts before, they did sell out. So overall, I think this was a good, successful week for Nike Jordan brands. So round of applause for that. Move down in the comments, Sneakerheads, were able to cop these. As you know, this was the ugliest color that I seen drop. I did not go for these, but let me know how you did down in the comments, Sneakerhead.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.